Hello and welcome everyone to Variety Stick, and we back again for another video. In today's video we're gonna look at a laser portable video projector from VANKYO. And the most exciting thing about this projector has the ability to do casting through your smartphone, through your computer to the projector. It has the ability to do screen mirroring. That means you can share all the content from your smartphone to a large screen up to 200 inches, which is great in my opinion. In addition to this, you can connect it directly to the Wi-Fi and has the HDMI where you can connect your Xbox, PlayStation, if you have any console, and you will have a great experience of playing these video games. As well as you can connect your TV box, Chromecast, Fire TV, etc. I'm so excited about this projector. We will actually do a review. We're going to show you how it works. We're going to show you the actual quality. I'm going to give also a few comments about the quality of this projector. Just before we go into the unboxing, I want to pay your attention. This lens has 410 watts and the maximum resolution you can get 720, which is only high definition. We'll see how it's going to work, but before, let's do the unboxing. And just wait a second, if you're wondering where you get this one from and how much it's gonna cost you, as right now it costs 129 US dollar. In my opinion, very reasonable price. You guys will find the link in the description box, as well as they may run some special Black Friday deals on this one, so make sure to check it out. Now let's get straight to the unboxing. The projector came with all needed accessory, from the screen sheet, carrying bag, and the HDMI cable, VGA cables, and remote control. So basically this is a complete full package when you purchase this projector. Now going back to the projector itself, first of all you will see the lens cover with a lid over here for preventing the dust to come to the lens, and make sure always to put it back if you're not using it. And then we will have the focus control from here. You can adjust it to have the best focus. And then we have some navigation keys, okay, power key, and we have menu key. And then we'll have from this side, it will be speaker. So the speaker is included in the projector, and you can connect another external speaker if you want. And also from the other side we'll have USB-A, where you can connect flash drive if you have pictures, videos, and you want to watch them directly through the USB. We have the VGA, so that way you can connect older computer. And we have memory card slot, so it does the same thing as the flash drive. And we have the power. Also we have another speaker, and we have a grill for the fan in case if the projector get warm. On the back side, we will see the HDMI cable where you can connect your TV box, you connect your console, etc. IR for remote control, AV and headphone jack for speaker, and you have control for the volume. From the bottom, we're gonna see the screws, and we're gonna see a special hole for mounting the projector if you have a tripod, so you can mount it, adjust it the way you like. This projector only weighs 2 pounds, in my opinion is not heavy, and the size is very reasonable, same size of my hand. Now after connecting the projector to the power supply, you will see that the projector is gonna light in red. By pushing the power button, it should start flashing and turn to blue, and then you must see the screen. Now the projector is on and it's on the HDMI mode, but if you go in the remote control, you will see that you have two menu buttons. One, it's going to give you the options to adjust pictures, the sound, and you can put a timer, and there is some settings for language, factory reset, etc. And if you push to the button right next to it, you will see some important option. That will be the input source. You can keep it on HDMI, for instance, or you can go to the VGA mode and you can do a screen mirroring. Screen mirroring means you're gonna connect your smartphone to the projector and review everything from your smartphone to the projector. And the last thing will be the USB, or if you have SD card, so you can watch any movie or pictures directly from the USB or the SD card. Now the first, we're gonna try to connect through the screen mirroring, so let's go ahead and push on screen mirroring and see what's gonna tell us. Now basically we will have to connect to Wi-Fi. First we have to go from the cell phone to the Wi-Fi and search on the Wi-Fi Laser 400W, and then we have to enter the passcode, which is 128. So let's go ahead and do this. And finally, after spending a little while to figure out how you connect the smartphone to the projector through the screen mirroring, it was not easy a process. You guys make sure to go through the steps through the manual guide and make sure you follow up with all these instructions. Other than that, you're gonna have a lot of trouble connecting the phone through the screen mirroring. Also, I'm gonna show you, if I put the my phone side to side, that I have my phone, so the same screen on the projector, and as you guys can see, there is a bit of delay, so you guys not gonna expect to be 100%. That may be back to my internet connection. Now, as you know, the sound comes from the projector through the speaker. After testing, the sound is not the best sound that you want to get, or the best experience for the sound quality. Even in my opinion, it's a decent sound. That's why you have the option to add external speaker for better audio. Now let's go ahead and check the video and see how it's gonna look. So make it full screen and have you enjoy watching this video. Now overall, speaking about the video quality of the projector, in my opinion is good, is decent. Maybe if you're watching like a TV, 4K TV, the picture, the quality of the image, it would be better in my opinion than having a projector. But to have the experience of the projector like having a cinema in your house, it's absolutely a completely different experience. Overall speaking, comparing the price to the quality of the video, it's very good. $129, you can't go wrong with the price. Now you also have to think about how many things you can connect to this projector. You have the option to have your USB flash, SD card. You can connect anything through the HDMI cable, your console, your TV box, etc. So for me, buying this for $130, absolutely worth it. The link will be in the description box if you guys still interested to purchase the VANKYO Leisure 410W projector. And I believe that was very much it for that video. I wish you guys enjoyed, find it helpful. If it did, thumbs up and subscribe for more videos here on Variety Stick. For the future, hit the bell, you'll be notified. Thank you so much again. I will talk to you in the next video.